Hello, young mathematicians. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, your go-to place for thrilling learning adventures. Today, we are delving deep into the fascinating realm of fractions, specifically, converting and simplifying them. Buckle up for a math journey that will unravel the secrets of numbers in a whole new way. Imagine you have a delicious chocolate cake, and you want to share it equally among your friends. Each friend gets a piece, and that piece is a fraction of the whole cake. Fractions help us understand parts of a whole, just like when we shared a pizza in our last video. But today, we are taking it a step further and learning how to convert and simplify fractions. Converting fractions to mixed numbers is like turning a puzzle piece into a complete picture. It's a way of combining whole numbers and fractions, creating a more comprehensive representation. Let's dive into an example to make things clearer. Imagine you have a chocolate bar divided into 5 equal pieces, and you've enjoyed 3 of those pieces. The fraction representing this is 3/5. That's the part of the chocolate bar you've savoring. Now, to convert this fraction into a mixed number, we need to find out how many whole parts are in it. In our example, there's 1 whole part, because you've already enjoyed 3 out of the 5 pieces. So, the mixed number is 1 3/5. Think of it like having 1 whole chocolate bar, and indulging in an additional 3/5 of another. Let's further explore the intriguing process of converting fractions to mixed numbers with another example. Imagine you've dived into a scrumptious pie, devouring 11/3 portions of it. Now, converting this fraction into a mixed number involves understanding how many whole portions are represented and what fraction remains. To break it down, 11 divided by 3 equals 3 with a remainder of 2. This implies you have 3 whole portions of the pie, and an additional 2/3 of a portion is left. Therefore, the mixed number representing 11 divided by 3 is 3 2/3. The 3 signifies the whole portions enjoyed, and 2/3 denotes the remaining fraction, turning a seemingly complex fraction into a more easily comprehensible mixed number. This showcases how converting fractions to mixed numbers involves dividing the numerator by the denominator, understanding the quotient as the whole part, and the remainder as the fractional part. But our math adventure doesn't stop there. Let's move on to simplifying fractions. Imagine you have a fraction like 4/8. To simplify, we find the greatest common factor, GCF, of the numerator and denominator. In this case, the GCF of 4 and 8 is 4. So, we divide both the numerator and denominator by 4, and we get 1/2. Simplifying fractions is like finding the simplest way to express the same part of the whole. It's like making our chocolate bar example even easier to understand by saying you ate 1/2 instead of 3/5. Let's explore another example to solidify this concept. Consider the fraction 6/9. The GCF of 6 and 9 is 3, so when we divide both the numerator and denominator by 3, we get 2/3. So, 6/9 simplifies to 2/3. It's like streamlining the information to its most straightforward form, making it easier to work with and comprehend. Now, let's take our journey a step further and look at simplifying mixed numbers. Imagine you have the mixed number 2 and 4/6. First, find the GCF of 4 and 6, which is 2. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, and we get 2/3. So, our simplified mixed number is 2 and 2/3. It's like having 2 whole things, and an additional 2/3 part. And there you have it, young math wizards. Converting and simplifying fractions is like unlocking the secrets of numbers, turning them into even cooler and easier to understand forms. If you're feeling adventurous, try practicing with different fractions and mixed numbers to become a true fraction master. If you enjoyed this math expedition, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more exciting learning journeys. We have a whole treasure trove of math adventures waiting for you. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. Happy learning, everyone.